So today we are detailing this car. Yeah, just tripping. So yeah, interior, exterior detail. So just basic detail right now. So yeah, let's open the car. This is the setup, and I have a whole bunch of things in the back. So vacuum, table, my sign, so we get more customers. So yeah, let me take this out then. So there you go, I set everything up. You got our table and our stuff out and our vacuum. So the next thing is gonna be, we're gonna take pictures of the car, so inside and out. So that's what he's doing, taking pictures. So that's dirty. It's okay, not that bad, not a disaster detail, but it is dirty.
Really trash, huh?
Yeah. And, so we do have this, so customers can see our sign, and then we also have that orange cone. So it's bright. It's like, I use it to put stuff inside, and it's also used as a cone, so it's 2 in 1. So instead of just carrying cones, I can also use it, have a bucket, and put stuff inside. So yeah. A microfiber towel so that I wipe everything off. So yeah, and then he's gonna start vacuuming everything. So yeah, or are we gonna blow everything out first, or is it that bad?
Probably, yeah, throw everything.
Blow it out or throw everything out? Okay, so yeah, get all the trash, all the personal items out, and then we're gonna blow with the blow gun. Oh shit. And then with our blow gun, we're gonna blow all the dust and stuff from in between the crevices, which our vacuum cannot reach. So this helps us reach all the tight spaces and stuff.
So you get the plastic back.
So before the detail starts, I'm gonna put gas inside our generator. I think this is what the correct term. It's an inverter generator. It's supposed to be more quieter than a regular generator. I don't know what it's called, but our generator is quieter than a regular one. So I do care about you guys, and like we try to make it as quiet as possible. I also have a this muffler on my vacuum. Oh, you saw that? Yeah. I also have that muffler on my vacuum. It's supposed to make my vacuum quieter, and also from the dust getting out. Let's see. Alan, what the hell does Alan want? Yo. So as you can see, all that and in there. So what I like doing before they start vacuuming the driver's seat, I get in here and then I start doing the whole interior basically, and then they do basically. Then Alan's gonna do basically the whole car, and then once I'm done with the driver's seat, which I think takes the longest, he should be here, you know. So yeah, let me get this shit done.
And rearrange their whole trip. Rental cars are not. Cars can come in all shapes and sizes.
Pre-rinse, we soap it, rinse it before we wash it.
So I did the wheels, he did the exterior or the hand wash. So it's all done. We washed it like 2 times. One the pre-wash, then we rinsed it, and we washed it again, and then we had the hand wash. And then we dried it, and now we're gonna dry it with microfiber towels, and then we're gonna put ceramic spray on the whole car. So yeah. Now we're cleaning the door jambs on the doors. See right here, the door jamb is wet from doing the exterior. This is all dry, so he's cleaned the door jamb for all the cars. So we do this after we're done with the exterior. We didn't do it before because it's gonna get wet either way, so might as well do it after. You don't have to use no chemicals. You just do a towel. But if it's really dirty, you do have to use chemicals. Okay, so now I'm going to apply tire shine onto the wheel. This is the before. That's all right here. Now I'm putting all the carpets back after we scrubbed them, and he's cleaning the windows with our window cleaner. So he's doing all the windows, mirrors, all of that stuff like that, electronics, so it's nice and shiny. And I'm gonna be putting all the floor mats back once they're all scrubbed. So let's check out the floor mats. See, they're nice and clean. Interior's looking nice and shiny. So there you go, you put this right here, so I know it's got detailed. All that's looking clean, nice and shiny. With the paper floor mat on the ground. Even though we cleaned all of that, we brushed it and stuff, but we still put that on top, so they know they got detailed. And it's a little bit more protection. And what are you doing to the car right now?
Right now, sir, I'm doing a light wax spray on the whole vehicle, just so that it has a nice shine, a nice protective sealant of wax. That way it's all shiny.
I said it was nice and clean. You want to leave your car? Yo, so we just got another detail. We're gonna detail this car. I had to go get water, and now I'm back. I just got some water. He's gonna get some more drinks, but I'm gonna get started on this detail. Oh, there you go. Woo. So today we are detailing a Ferrari. It's hybrid, right? It's fire.
I forgot the
So there's our other car. So right now we're in this car because we haven't set that one up because what's it called? We haven't gotten everything. We still need to go buy the wood. So soon I get 2 pieces of wood. So
you
But
want.
honestly, the only reason that's worse is
So here's the detail. Hi. Thank you. Appreciate it.
All right, no worries.
Thank you. I got you. Here you
he said, yo, you work tonight?
go. Alright, so we just got here to this detail. In the trunk. Oh. That one didn't want to. What am I doing wrong? Oh, there you go.